Wakanda forever!
Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Today's adventure, it's time for a little lunch. So we went to Mickey D's and got ourselves a Wakanda Forever Happy Meal. Wakanda Forever. So we're just gonna check out what's inside. Have a little unboxing.
Cool little box there. Wakanda Forever. A Black Panther movie. Missing Black Panther for most of it. It's going to be really weird. There's the regular smiling Happy Meal face on the back side here. And on this side it kind of shows you the toys you can get. As well, a QR code. It's a really cool design, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's open this puppy up and see what's inside. We've got a package here of Wakanda Forever apple slices. Our little bitty Happy Meal fries. We got 6-piece of chicken McNuggets. Of course, we got a drink here. I got a large with this Happy Meal this time because I'm really thirsty. And the prize inside, the toy. So I got here number 2 in the series, Akoi. She's the head of the, basically kind of like the Secret Service in Wakanda. Oh, look at that. The spear is supposed to turn to the vibranium color if you dip it in water. So there's a little wheel on the back right there. Turn the wheel. Yeah, spear moves. Oh, all the way full circle. Pretty cool. So then I guess you dip that thing in water and it changes color.
Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.
Wakanda forever!